there's something going on, like there's got a fire or something. People are in the hallways. Oh. Welcome to Washington. Everybody's downstairs except for Tina and isn't this stupid question? Is there a fire? Oh.
We got called for a smoke detector going on.
Oh, okay. Now my cousin's upstairs and here, and I'm like, how come the whole building's down here and you're not down here?
It's just all alarm.
All right, thank you. Oh, look, the little babies got up, the doggies, everybody. Now my cousin's gonna come down the elevator and see. How does she not know what's going on? I'm gonna wipe the lens. I parked and right behind me comes fire. So where is Tina? She's like up there somewhere.
What happened?
I think somebody's alarm went off, but
okay.
they don't think there's a fire, but I don't know. My cousin, I'm just waiting for her to come down. Come on down. She's gonna see the plane and going upstairs. I'll wait out here until it's all clear. It's an interesting start to you think Carol would be hanging out the window somewhere looking. Where is she? Tomorrow night's the full moon. Tomorrow night's the full moon. Today's July 9th. Where is my cousin? Of course she's the last one to get out of the fire building. Come on, Tina. There she is. I see her now. She's like, what the hell's going on? Look at her. Look, she's like, what's happening? She's so funny. What? Does she even see me? Welcome to Washington.
I'm like, ah! Did you fart?
You didn't have to get all this for me. You didn't have to do all
No,
this.
and I'm like, what's going on? I'm like, oh, this is like, where? He's like, it's the ninth floor. So I'm like, was the
Right,
alarm?
that's Kara.
No, Kara's 7.
Well, she needs to get the hell out of there. The whole building is in the hallway, and Kara's
No, they
up
say
there.
it's okay.
Yeah, but they said an alarm went off, but
Yeah,
they
but
don't
only
know.
on the 9th floor. Wow, that looks amazing.
Let me see.
Her foot's usually crooked, so she's like really
Whose
getting
foot is
affected.
that?
That's Danielle.
Oh, gotta be Kara. That's
Yeah,
amazing!
it looks
Look at
much-
the fire trucks now. The Arlington County fire trucks are here.
Oh my God, never a dull moment.
Welcome to Washington. There's a full moon tomorrow night.
That's an angel.
Hi! Where is Kara? You think she's
They said that we don't need to come down. It's just the 9th floor.
Who cares if it's the 9th floor or the 10th floor? Just get the hell out of there. We don't know. We'll
All right,
find
I'm gonna
out.
call Kara.
Just the fire alarm, no fire. Fire alarm, no fire. So like somebody's stove with some noise. I'm not even kidding. I pull up and the fire, I park, I get out of
I
the
heard
car,
the
the
fire.
fire trucks pull up right behind me.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No, I've been sitting for like 8 hours driving. Well, I'm glad.
Hey, Kara, there was crazy fire trucks down here. The 9th floor had something going on, but they didn't give you an alarm. I don't know if you want to come down. I think it's okay.
I think it's okay, but I'm not 100% sure. So
But I told me, I was asking them, should I call my friend? And he said, no, it's just the 9th floor.
9th floor, 7th floor, who cares? They're all the same. It's the same building. It's like, oh yeah, you're on the 9th floor. Don't worry about it. 7th floor, don't worry about it.
Well, it's not you.
Yeah, really. That's like, sorry.
Should I go ask the friend?
Yeah, of course. Woke everybody up.